Good morning, students. From previous video, we learned about the speed of the sound wave. V is equal to under root of B by rho, where B means bulk modulus. What is the expression for the bulk modulus? Minus delta P by delta V by V. So this value is called as the volumetric strain, and this value is called as the change in pressure. Here, this speed of the sound wave is changed for the medium. In case of a liquid and solids, its value is higher than gases. So you have to observe this point. Liquids and solids, its value is higher than gases. Why? Because of one reason, its density is higher. Density is higher in case of liquids and solids. That's why its speed is higher in case of liquids and solids. If the medium is in case of a liquid or solid, you have to take in that time the velocity of the sound wave is higher. So its values are, especially its okay, all of you observe this table. So it is a medium. In case of gases, what is the value of the speed, and in case of the liquids, what is the velocity of the speed, what is the speed of the sound wave, in case of solids, what is the speed. So from this table, what you concluded, in case of gases, the speed is lesser than liquids and solids, or in case of, you have to comparing the liquids and solids, its value will be higher than gases. So it is the point you have to remember. And next one is, it is one of the objective bit maybe. So which of the following having the higher speed? So in case of solids or liquids or like that, they may be asked. So and next so this expression is what is the velocity of the speed in case of gases. In the case of gases, is given by Newton's equation. First equation is, it is the Newton equation. In that some mistakes will be there, that will be corrected by Laplace. So how they will be, now I will explain. So according to Newton, first one is the Newton. According to Newton, the pressure variation during the propagation of sound through a gases are isothermal. So isothermal means here the temperature is not changed. That means delta T is equal to 0. What is the delta T means? Change in temperature is equal to 0. So in that case, Newton is taken the one equation. One is according to Newton. I will explain simple manner. Newton, one is the Newton, another one will be the Laplace. According to Newton, the pressure variations during the propagation of sound through the gases are isothermal according to Newton. So at that time delta T is equal to 0. The change in temperature is 0 is taken by Newton. So he can take the ideal gas equation, already you know from your first year. PV is equal to NKBT. PV equal to NKBT. It is the expression for the ideal gas equation. So it is a capital N you have to take in here. Some books it is a small n, and it is in your academy book it is a capital N is taken here. So what is the N is equal to number of molecules in volume V, and Kb is the Boltzmann constant, and T is the temperature of the gas in terms of Kelvin you have to take in. So PV is equal to NKBT. So if suppose we can differentiate this equation, so in case of it is a isothermal process, you have to remember the point, it is the isothermal process from this. So if suppose it is a differentiated both sides, so in the manner of a differentiation of UV rule, already you know. What is that? U dV plus V du. like that. So first of all, P differentiation of that means delta V, and next V delta P, and next this equation, this term n is the number, kb is the Boltzmann constant, then you have to differentiate n kb delta T. It is the isothermal process is taken by Newton, so that's why delta T is equal to 0. That's why this total term will goes to 0. So then P delta V equal to, so plus term it will take in this side, it will become negative V delta P. And next, then P is equal to here delta P by delta V. So it will be multiplied, this term it will be taken down, it will become V. So here minus term will be there. Already this expression is nothing but the bulk modulus expression. So this value is equal to the bulk modulus. So then what is the velocity of this sound from in this way? What is the velocity of the sound in case of gases? What is the expression? So P by rho is given by, this is the value is given by Newton. This value is given by Newton. V is equal to P by rho. This relation was first given by Newton. So the speed of the sound wave in case of gases, the expression is equal to V is equal to under root of P by rho. So it is correct or wrong, or correct or wrong is verified. We are having the one example problem, that is example 1.4. All of you observe this this example. Estimate the speed of sound in air at a standard temperature and pressure at a STP, means the mass of 1 mole of air is 29 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. In case of gases, it is you have to take in. So what is the expression? Already you know how to solve this problem. So what is the velocity? Already you get it, that is under root of P by rho, where P means pressure. So here the in atmospheric, 1 atmospheric pressure is equal to 180 m. It is indicated 1 atmospheric pressure is equal to, this value is fixed 1.01 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square. And here rho means, already you know, mass per unit volume. What is that? Rho means density is equal to mass per unit volume. Here mass is given, that is 29 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. And 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube, its volume. It can occupy by the volume 22.4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. So you have to substitute all these values. We are getting the rho is equal to here 1.29 kg per meter cube. So all of you observe this one. So V is equal to under root of P by rho. In that P is equal to pressure is equal to 1 atmospheric pressure is equal to 1.01 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square. And next here, what is the rho means density, mass already is given in that 1 mole of air is occupy a mass is equal to 29 to 10 to the power minus 3 kg, and its volume is equal to 22.4 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Then we are getting the rho. P is here and rho is here. You have to substitute it. We are getting the velocity 280 meter per second. So you have to read this point. The result shown in equation 1.23 is about 15% smaller as compared to the expression of the value. What is the velocity of the sound? All of you remember this value. The velocity of the sound, it is the general common bit in any competitive exam also. They will be asked the velocity of the sound in gases is equal, especially this value you have to remember, that is a 331 meter per second. If suppose any value is not given, you have to take exact value, that is a 331 meter per second, the velocity of the sound. So but according to Newton's method, what is the value we are getting? 280. So comparing these two, this value will be smaller. How much smaller? How much percentage? 15% smaller. But it is the not exact value. That means this is the wrong value. This will be corrected by the Laplace. So what he can take in? Laplace can take in. So this process is not a adiabatic, not a isothermal process. It is a adiabatic process. So Laplace correction for Newton's equation. What he can take in? Laplace suggested that the pressure variation during the propagation of sound through gases are adiabatic, not isothermal. So what is that? We can take the one expression, that is the PV power gamma is equal to constant. So again you can differentiate this equation similar manner, UV method. So P V power gamma, differentiation of x power n, differentiation of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Similar here also, gamma into V power gamma minus 1 into delta V. So 1 is complete. Next plus, so V power gamma is constant, delta P is equal to differentiation of constant. Constant means will not change. So if suppose you have to do differentiation of 2 means it is 2, again the change in value to 0. So the differentiation of constant is equal to here 0. And next you take this value to the right side, then P gamma. So a power m minus n means a power m by a power n. So V power gamma by V into delta V equal to, take that side, V power gamma, here minus is there, and to delta P. So here V power gamma get cancelled, and P gamma equal to minus delta P by, so here delta V by V is multiplying this side, it will be taken, then it will be divided, delta V by V. What is this expression? It is nothing but a bulk modulus. P gamma equal to minus delta P by this value is equal to B. So then what is the velocity of the sound wave? Velocity V is equal to already bulk modulus B by rho. So B is by replaced by a term gamma P by rho. So already we are getting the value of P by under root of P by rho value. So already you get the value of the P and rho. So these two values you have to substitute it. We are getting the value. So already I calculated this value. In case of air, gamma means it is the specific heat ratio, Cp by Cv is equal to 7 by 5. So here 7 by 5 into, what is the pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure 1.01 into 10 to the power 5. This value is equal in terms of Newton per meter square, and rho value already we are getting 1.29 kg per meter cube. Then these values you have to substitute it, then we are getting the velocity is equal to 331 meter per second. So what are the problems in Newton, they will be rectified by the Laplace. That's why Laplace correction for Newton equation. So in simple, clear. So already we are getting this expression velocity is equal to from previous lecture. It is a velocity is equal to under root of bulk modulus by rho. What is the bulk modulus is equal to here? Change in, it is a ratio of change in pressure to the volumetric strain. It is a bulk modulus definition. So but in case of liquids and solids, its value is higher. The velocity of the sound or the speed of the sound is higher in case of liquid and a solid state manner, if the medium is in the form of liquid or solid. For this case, the expression for the sound wave is given by, according to Newton method, this according to Newton, the pressure variation during the process propagation of the sound through the gases or isothermal, according to the Newton method. So you can take the one equation, that is PV equal to NKBT, and differentiating this equation, we are getting the expression for the bulk modulus is equal to is balanced by this P value, and you have to substitute this P value by rho. So what is the P value of 1 atmospheric pressure, and this value I can substitute it, and the rho value I will substitute it. What is the expression we are getting from this? So 280 value. But experimental, what is the value we are getting? 331 meter per second. So there is a 15% of variation you have to observe, and this will be corrected by the Laplace correction for the Newton's equation. It is this process is a adiabatic process, not by isothermal. You will take the PV power gamma equal to constant. So you have to do the this value you have to once in simple manner you have to practice. For this you can add the theory, okay, and you can practice the example 1.4 problem also. Okay, bye students.